This is Derby Street in Subiaco, front of the house, which is yet to be done. We're just going out to the back. The extension has been done, and the concrete slab, we'll be laying 130 by 19 mil Jarrah boards. Had to screed out that area there where there was a spa bath and there was an indentation in the floor. So there's been 420 kilo, 80 kilos of screed gone into that. And tomorrow I'll be coming and applying the moisture membrane. And from there we start laying on Monday. Just applying the moisture membrane and be back tomorrow to start setting out and laying of boards. Just laying or setting out the floor and starting to lay now. The moisture barrier is of course cured and have set all the boards out, so just clamping up and nailing down now. And there we go. And now here's the floor, and it's fully laid, and I'll be coming back and doing the sanding in a couple of weeks' time once everything else has been put into place. Right, at this point it's just had a couple of coats applied. The kitchen's sort of in, waiting for the tops to come. But basically the floor has been completed. You've just got to cut it back and put the final coat on. But, yeah, done. And excuse the pun, dusted.